down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
Good evening, room service. How may I assist you? Good evening. I'd like to place an order for some food. Certainly, I'm happy to help you. May I have your room number, please? I'm in room number 2015. Thank you. And may I have your name, please? It's Zaid Benavesta. Thank you, Miss Benavesta. Now let's begin with your order. What would you like for your main course? I have grilled salmon with lemon butter, please. Excellent choice. Grilled salmon with lemon butter. And for your side dish, would you like mashed potatoes or green salad? I'll go with green salad, please. Green salad it is, and any dressing preference for the salad? I'd like to take the balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Perfect! Green salmon with lemon butter and a garden salad with balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Is there anything else would like to order, Miss Benavesta? Yes, I'd like to add lava cake, please. Of course, one chocolate lava cake. And is there anything to drink? I have a glass of champagne, please. Great choice, one glass of champagne. So your bill will be 2,724. Will you pay by credit or cash upon delivery, Miss Benavesta? Okay, I'll pay credit card.